All right, so to divide 1/2 by 1/3, we'll use the keep, change, flip strategy that we learned yesterday. If you weren't here yesterday, make sure you did the makeup work for yesterday so you can follow along with this video. We'll keep the first fraction the same, and then we know we're going to change our division symbol to a multiplication symbol, and we will flip 1/3 to the reciprocal. So that looks like this. 1/2 stays the same. We change division to multiplication, and we flip 1/3 to the reciprocal. We end up multiplying numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, for a final answer of 3/2. In question 2, this might look a little different because 3 is a whole number, but remember that the whole number 3 is the same as 3/1, and so we can follow our exact same steps. Keep, change, flip. I'm going to keep my fraction 9/2 the same, change my division to multiplication, and I'm going to flip 1/3. I end up with 9/6 because I multiplied again, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. I can simplify 9/6 by dividing the top and the bottom by 3, and I end up with a final answer of 3/2. In question 3, I'm going to need to convert my improper fraction to a mixed number. Remember that to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, I simply need to multiply 2, my whole number, times 3, which is my denominator. 2 times 3 is 6. I'll add that to the numerator I already have, keep the denominator the same, and I end up with 7/3. So now I can follow keep, change, flip using that exact same strategy. The only difference is that my keep fraction is going to be 7/3, not 2 1/3, because I changed it to an improper fraction. Change to multiplication, flip 4/1, and I end up with 28/3. In question 4, I would need to follow the same exact steps. I would need to convert 3 1/4 to a improper fraction. So I would multiply 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 1/4. So I end up with 13/4. And I'll rewrite that, 13/4, that's my keep. Change division to multiplication, and flip 2/5 to 5/2. And so I'll multiply 13 times 5, that's numerator times numerator, and I end up with 65/8.